Hello there, welcome to Panuka Farm. My name is Patricia. I'm with Harold here, the supervisor for the greenhouse, is it?
No, thank you, but I do assist.
You do assist in the greenhouses?
Yes.
So today we're doing our regular visits to Panuka Farm. As usual, the crops are doing really well. So we still like to advise and still see for those small things that can still be improved. So today what we found at the farm is that they need to sort out the irrigation. Instead of 1 hour, to at least split that 1 hour into 20 or 15 minutes, because we're having some problems with the root systems. So if there's too much water in the soil, it promotes development of certain fungal diseases and poses challenges for the roots. So the anchorage of the roots becomes too weak, and then the plants as a result also can't stand too straight. So I have a product with me. This is Trianum P. The fungus in this Trianum P is called Trichoderma hasianum. So Trichoderma is a fungus that develops around the root system of the plant, and because it develops around the root system, it's able to help the plant absorb nutrients and extract water from zones in the soil that the roots can't normally reach. So what you have as a result is a strong plant, and a plant that's not very prone to diseases. So if you have a problem of fusarium in the soil, or bacterial wilt, or some of those problems like nematodes, this product works really well. So at Panuka Farm we're a bit late to add this product, but I think we could try just to see how it will work. These plants are how old, Mr. Harold? How old are these plants?
3 weeks.
They are 3 weeks, so it's not too late to just try and use the product. So you've just joined us when I'm about to explain how this product works. So if you're also interested, you could just listen to my explanation. So Mr. Harold, as I briefly mentioned earlier, Trianum is just a fungus. So it just exists in a beneficial relationship with the plant. The papaya plant, it's just it gets some nutrients from the plant, and the plant supports it, and then it's able to support the plant by developing a lot of volume of the roots. So as we saw from some of the greenhouses, we had some fungus that was developing. So if you had added that at seedling stage, and then this product grows around the root system, you wouldn't have had that problem. So I think with the next batch of seeds that we are planting for the cucumbers, we can add this. So now the application rates. So at planting, you can add 15 grams to a 16-liter knapsack sprayer, for example. So you dissolve 15 grams in 16 liters, and then you drench that. So you drench that on top of the seedling trays. So at this stage, what we'll do, we'll mix 20 grams because we need a bit more. The plants are big and the roots have already grown. We'll need 20 to 30 grams. So the benefit of this is that it's a biological product. So there's no danger of toxicity or adding too much. So 20-30 grams in 16 liters, and then we'll drench this on the soil just close to the plant roots. And then after 2 weeks, we'll drench again and observe our plant. So I should mention that you should be careful what chemicals you use in combination with this product. So you don't add your imidacloprid or oxamil immediately when you add the Trianum. You need to give it some time. So remember what I mentioned about the cucumbers and applying something against the nematodes. So there we can't apply this product because they won't complement each other very well.
Then how should be the interval in between after the application of this to the time when you are going to apply like imidacloprid?
So you need at least a 6 weeks interval.
Okay.
A 6 weeks interval. So if you're using this product, if you had started from the beginning, you wouldn't have the need to spray those things. So here we don't really have a problem of the oxamil, and we won't need the imidacloprid. We don't see that problem in the soil, so we are adding this as a safety. We know it's somewhere in the greenhouse, and we use the same tools for all the greenhouses. So just as a safety, we are going to apply that. We don't see the problem yet, but we're just going to see this product, how it will work. So you've heard it today. We are going to do this experiment now, then we'll check again after 2-3 weeks and just give you a progress report on how the product will work. So yeah, watch out for Trianum.